Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. First of all, I would like to wish you Happy Chinese New Year. Today is the Chinese New Year's Day. Here is some interesting information of how Chinese New Year is being celebrated in China as well as all over the world where there is a large Chinese population. People in China get 7 days off work from January 31st to February 6th. And this year, the Chinese New Year is on February 1st, 2022. This year is the year of the tiger, and the celebration lasts for 16 days, all the way from January 31st to February 15th. It is celebrated by more than 2 billion people worldwide. The holiday is frequently known as the Spring Festival, particularly in mainland China. During this period, billions of red envelopes are exchanged that are filled with money. There are 3.5 billion journeys for family members from different parts of the country to gather together. Washing hair or clothes is not allowed on the first day of the Lunar New Year because it is seen as washing one's fortune away. The Chinese Zodiac still plays an important cultural as well as social significance in Chinese society. People believe their zodiac bring them health and fortune, also shape their personality. The Chinese Zodiac has been at least around for over 2,000 years. And then many stories was told about how these 12 animals got included in the Zodiac. According to the folklore, the universe is governed by an emperor known as the Jade Emperor. One day he decided he's going to summon 12 animals to participate in a race, which involved them to swim across a river. The first 12 animals that are going to show up will take part in the race. These 12 animals are now represented in the Chinese Zodiac. And it turned out that the rat won the race. The legend goes that the ox is the best swimmer. The rat asked the ox to give him a ride, and the ox is a very kind and generous creature, and he said no problem. As the ox approached the other shore of the river, the rat quickly jumped off from the ox and landed on the riverbank, and he ended up winning the race. The remaining animals come in the order as listed on the Zodiac, and each of them has their little stories of how they get to the place that they end up on the Zodiac. So the question is that why the cat is not on the Zodiac? The story goes like this. The cat and the rat used to be pretty good friends. The cat wants to take a nap so he can be refreshed for the race. He asked the rat to wake him up before the race, but the rat forgot. By the time when the cat woke up and got to the race, it was too late. The race has already started. As the legend goes, the cat never forgave the rat. The Chinese New Year flower market is one of my favorite parts of the Chinese New Year. 2 or 3 days before the New Year, people will go to the flower market and buy all kinds of flowers to decorate their home that will bring health and prosperity. There are many different kinds of flowers, and each one of them have their special symbols and meaning for the new year. One of my favorite is the peach blossom, which are one of the earliest blossoms to appear during spring. In 2015, when I was in Hong Kong, I went to the Chinese New Year flower market, and I found this beautiful peach blossom on display with red packet hanging all over it. I decided I'm going to take the picture that I took and to make a New Year's greeting video. I posted this video on my Walk with Tak YouTube channel. This video channel is an opportunity for me to document my experience and encounter of nature in where I live. I live on a farm that has been in my wife's family for over 100 years. We live right next to a small, quiet, and enchanting river. And it is a beautiful place And I want to use this example to share my experience with people who might not have these opportunities. In addition to the river and the farm that we live on, I also capture scenes of the rural area. It is a place of beauty and serenity, and I accompanied it with my original music, which is a way for me to express my emotion and feeling of this place. Here is the video. I wish you health and prosperity in the year of Tiger.